Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today is 6th September. Nifty ends this week at 24,852 and Bank Nifty at 50,576. Before proceeding to this week's market update, let me explain the same concept which we are discussing for the previous two videos because that is very important. See, while the price was trading here, see this is 15 minutes and I'm saying this level, okay, on approximately 30th August. During this sideways, we discussed that one more high and a decline or a pullback may come, and if that pullback stops at certain level, then we can expect a 3, 4, 5, or if the pullback comes below this 25,000, then we may expect a sideways or correction. This is what we are discussing for the previous two videos. Few are not getting it clearly, that's why I am explaining it again. See, if you are in a wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can usually expect these subways. But when you are expecting that the price in fifth wave on any degree, right? On any degree, if the price in wave 5, initially you think about whether it can be end of wave 5 or 1 of 5, 2 of 5. Primarily think about the end of wave 5. This will be very important learning for you. Okay, this is the thing we discussed in previous videos. If it comes like this, we may expect a move like this, or if the decline comes below this 25,000, we can expect a sideways or correction, right? This is what we are discussing. And the same thing I shared on September 4 also, when it was trading around 25 to 79. See, we discussed all these things in previous video, but anyway, expected a pullback to 25,160 and support levels are mentioned 2560. Okay, up to 2560 this view is valid, but below 25,000 the view is invalid and the price can move sideways or in a correction. See, this is the right way to approach the market because we are in a wave 5. See, I will show the chart. We are in a wave 5. So we don't know whether the wave 5 ended here or this is just 1 of 5. So based on the pullback only, we can assume that. Even in our midweek video, I said that the price will come back again lower to 2560 because I am seeing some incompletion in decline. Okay, the correction has not yet completed. The price definitely will pull back or come to the 2560. I think this level, 2560. Okay, this is what we discussed in our even midweek video also. And one more thing, we actually discussed the exact whatever happened today, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Whatever happened today in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we had discussed this exact situation on 28th August itself. I will share that 1-minute clip for your clear understanding on how we are approaching the market. If it is a wave 4 and I am assuming the impulse has been over here, we can expect a minimum of 24,880, but we can expect approximately 25,650. These are the two possible zones. Let us first confirm it is a start of a decline or not. Okay. See, in Bank Nifty, this is an example of a wave C or a leading diagonal. So this is what I marked a couple of days back. Okay, even I expected one more height to here. I expected the E wave to reach, if the price moves higher, there is a possibility of reaching above this high of 51,400 and possibly between 51,400 to 51,550, 580 approximately. I marked all these lines. The price needs to come below this D point. Then only we can assume whether it is an ABC, bigger ABC or smaller ABC, at least we have some pullback to this point. So these are the assumptions now. See, this is what happened today. See, that's a rough figure on Nifty expecting around 24,650. Anyway, we will discuss what we can expect in the coming days. And Bank Nifty, exactly the price reached the previous support. Still some gap is there. Probably the price will reach the support. In this chart also, see, I marked the line 25,303 here. Actually, I deleted that line, but I explained this concept in the previous week. I expected 25,303 to be resistance. See where the price got rejected. From that point, the price not even touched that line. The price started to decline. How to approach the market here is, we are expecting a pullback or a correction. We don't know whether it's a wave 5 ended or 1 of 5. But the price, we understood that it is rejecting here. Okay, that is our primary expectation. The price may start moving lower from here, that is 25,300. Okay, and we expected 2560. Right, this is what we expected here. The support level can be 2560. But see the price crossing 2560. I'm very happy today that few learners has texted me on live market today that the price expected 2560, but we are thinking that the correction is not yet over. I really happy that they understood the market behavior. See, in Elliottwave, we'll study how the market behaves. Okay, fine. Even today, see when the price coming very fast, if the price comes below 25,000, initially we need to see how it reacts between 25,960, 930. If further declines, we may expect 24,875. The price declined very fast, and if you noticed, the first stop was 24,875. I think if I show in 5 minutes, there is a chance of showing that level. See 24,875. See, you can see the number 24,875. The price coming very fast, but the price took a stop or a pause in that speed nature at the expected level of 24,875, and expected 24,875. The low as of now was 24,878 here, right? And but there is a chance of one more low for this particular wave itself, and the price came one more low here, not here, here. The 24,880, the support level is expected, and the price reached one more low. Then I expected the price to reach 25,000. If price gives a bounce, need to see around 25,000 for rejection. But the price not moved to 25,000. Actually, the price started to give a bounce from, see, from 24,850 to 24,960 approximately, 40 points away from my expectation of 25,000. That is what giving me confusion that whether the correction has been over, or maybe one pullback to 25,000 and one more low to the 24,790 or 750 zone. This is what I am thinking now. So these are things we analyzed in live markets, even in the fast decline also. Okay, let me change this to hourly chart now. So what we can expect in the coming days. See, we expected the higher targets like minimum of 25,400 and 25,500. These are the minimum levels we expected, and 25,700. These are the levels we expected, but the price came lower. What we discussed in our earlier videos was the price making directly higher or after this low. So the low has came, the price still in the permitted uptrend. That means, for example, if it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, if this to happen, the fourth wave usually gets support between 38% to 50%, and if you check that, the price holding the 38% region. So as of now, it is still valid. Okay, because of this one-day move, we don't want to change the entire counts. Let us wait for further price action. So as of now, it's still marking it as wave 4, and if the price comes lower, the initial support can be 24,765, right? But without making a new low, the price starts moving higher, we need to check around 25,000 levels, whether it is rejecting or not. Okay, if it rejects, the same expectation of one more low to 25,765 to even 24,700. These are the very important supports. When we need to rethink about these counts, when the price coming fast below this 24,700. Okay. Until the price touches the start of wave 1, we need not to be worried about this negative view, but still this is far away. So when the price comes below 24,700 with the gap down or speed, please understand that wave personality is very, very important now. If the price comes lower below this 24,700 fast or with gap down, we need to rethink of other options, because we are already discussing some there is a possibility of wave C in the broader markets. If the broader markets goes in wave C, we may see bigger correction in the Nifty, Bank Nifty. This we discussed almost a month before itself. So have this option in the mind. This is for Nifty. In Bank Nifty, see, as you see in the 28th August, we expected the price to reach 51,580. And if you remember in the midweek market update, just I posted a couple of days back, I marked like this: A, B, and C. Okay, the price to reach this level minimum. Exactly the price rejected at the 51,600, and the price comes to our expected zone, and seeing the wave personality, the price is not going to stop at the 51,000. But the idea here is the price will reject here. And I remember in my previous video I said that two things we need to watch: rejection at 51,600 and the price coming below the trend line. Yes, I remember I said these two points, and whatever we discussed in Bank Nifty exactly happened. And see the 51,600 first signal of rejection, yes, and the second signal coming out of the trend line, and you can see the fall. Yes, I expected Bank Nifty to support around 51,750. Considering the Nifty, see the Nifty made a little slower approach, but Bank Nifty had not yet made that approach. So that's why certain extra points has been came in the Bank Nifty. So yes, so the price still not yet completed. The correction is not yet completed. My expectation is the price still move higher if it possible. Okay, if the price not opens below this support of 50,300 to 50,250, there is a chance of a pullback and come lower to take the support between 50,300 to 50,250. These are the important levels to watch now. Okay, I believe if the price comes after a pullback, okay, not directly, if the price comes to this zone after a pullback, there is a possibility of a decent bounce from this level. Either it is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, or all this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this pullback we need to see based on the this price action after this support. I hope you understand. Okay, there are two chances. Since Nifty still we marking it as bullish, we should mark it as either ABC or 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, this approach still valid when the price holds the important levels as we discussed in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If the price not holds that important levels what we expected, this become ABC. Fine, but this is second option now. For that we need to see how the price reacting here. Okay, so primary option is yes, as of now the uptrend still may continue, because this decline also under the expected retracement levels. So until these prices holds, there is no issue in the uptrend. Let's see. So this is the approach on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And see the broader markets, this level still not crossed. I marked this line for small cap 100 because only when this price crosses above this range, we can invalidate that ABC option. See, this is the only thing can make this structure very bad. But as of now, I'm not looking at this structure. This is the option. Anyway, we are discussing from the past month. Because of this incompletion, The price needs to cross this to invalidate that C option. But now it seems to be small cap, the correction is not yet over, and we can expect some more decline and minimum to 19,000. Now it is 19,276. So we expect minimum to 19,000, and next thing is 18,800. These are the two important points we need to see in small cap. But Nifty, Bank Nifty already at important support for the uptrend to continue. So we need to watch 19,000 as the important support for the small cap 100. When we need to think about the other option, when the price crosses this 50% in fast manner, if it comes slower or on three wave, not a worry. But if it comes directly to this below 50%, then only we need to rethink about the option. And if the price crosses this zone, okay, and this can be ABC. And mid cap 150, yes, the CC target we expected 22,800. And yes, it is still possible. Further, the price needs to get support around 21,570 to 21,500, maybe 21,550 to 21,500, already very close to the support zone. And see, the mid cap 150 is very close to the top of wave 1. This give a prayer signal when comparing the Nifty 100. See, so better we track the mid cap 150 now. If the price directly comes below this 21,300, then there is a higher chance of ABC. Okay, so now the option is the price needs to stop here and move higher. The range is 21,500. This is mid cap 150. But the price directly comes below this 21,300. This can take as ABC. And if it comes at ABC, Nifty, Bank Nifty can all go in a somewhat deeper correction, right? Mid cap 150 is very close. So we can use this mid cap 150 as the earlier indication for bigger correction or a smaller pullback. Okay, mid cap 150. So this is the update on small cap 100, broader markets, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and silver. Right. Okay, I'm recording it live and you can see the price is moving here. And while we discussing in the midweek market update, I said that the price although reached 61.8%, but I still believe there is a chance of the price coming lower to 27.8 because some sort of incompletion in the waves. So that's why the price moved higher, but coming lower to the expected level of 27,810. But this rise is much higher than the expected. So we need to check how the price reacts here. Possibly a pullback, and if comes lower, we may expect some support around 27,810. And this can be instead of ABC, you can say W, X, and Y. Even though the price reached 61.8%, RSI may be divergence. Okay, everything happened, but in midweek market update just a couple of days back, I said that I'm not fully convinced about the completion of this correction. So there is a chance of one more low to 27.8 or equal to 27.8. So probably 27.8 is possible. Okay, and see, there are many questions on identification of turning points. I'm not using many charts. I use this a single silver chart for explaining the identification of turning points. We have identified all the turning points in the silver, and I showed everything before happening itself. Okay, as Elliottwave analyst, as Elliottwave trader, we will be approaching the market in advanced manner. Okay, Elliottwave itself projecting the price action in advance, right? Okay, so coming to the silver example, I show one chart here. See, this I shared on 25th July. Where is the 25th July? Here, okay. A3 ended here at 27,828 approximately. See, 27,446, the turning point. And where is this turning point? 29. Okay. See, 29. And one more turning point. Actually, after completion of this, I slightly altered. So 27,228 and the low was 26,50. Approximately $0.50 difference. Okay. So we identified this turning point, this one, and this one. And for your benefit only, for explaining you, we can take trades on Elliottwave. I entered here in silver Bs. I showed that example in previous video and exited here. I am a trader, so I try to get the based on the time frame. I will try to get the 5 waves or the third wave or fifth one. Based depending on the time frame which I am analyzing, I take that trade. So in this trade, I did only for you all to explain this concept. See, this one I entered here on 8th August at 77.35 and exited at 83.69 on 26th August. I have shown the details in a previous video. So this is how we need to take a trade. Okay, this is not done for investment. This is a trade. Getting the 5 clear waves. Even if you notice, if the price moves higher, this can be identified as wave 3, right? Wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. Many people will say that identifying the wave 1 is very difficult. Even in this wave 1, I traded this low to this high. Okay. So that's what I am saying. In my course, you can identify the turning points of all the 8 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulse and ABC. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ABC. In the previous example, we identified 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Then we give an entry at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, even in last week video, I said, yes, the price is 361, but there's incompletion in correction. Okay, these are the practical things you can understand from my course. See, considering the practical approach and the entire content itself 100% practical. See, the entire course itself 100% practical, and every month I'm posting 1 or 2 videos. I'm currently posting 2 videos with additional to the course material, practical learnings, real-time charts analysis, everything to make you expert in the Elliottwave. See, the course objective is, even though to identify the turning points of all the 8 waves, the core objective of the course is to make you become independent trader or analyst. Okay, I tell to my learners that you should not rely on my analysis. You should trade your own waves. Okay, you should not depend on anyone. After learning and practice, I will support you for 1 year. You can share your charts. I'll review it and correct it. All your doubts will be cleared. If you wish to learn the Elliottwaves, don't miss this opportunity. I gave all the details in the description. Check the website. If you're interested, register and get the access immediately. Okay, so this is the view on silver. The price directly comes to this point means still lower can be expected. We need to calculate the target based on that. Okay, if the price gives a bounce and come lower, then only this level can be valid. Anyway, let's see how the price reacts. And if the price directly comes to this, the price still in correction, and we may expect some more correction. See, crude oil. See, as I said before, the price in a triangle, and for medium term view, the price should come out of the triangle, either upside or downside, and the important support is between 67 to 66, right? This is what we discussed, and the price is trading around 67.31, and below $63, we may expect some more correction in the crude oil. If the price wants to move higher, the price needs to get support between 67 to $66. But if the price comes below this 63.68, this low, okay, then the entire price action turned to be a corrective pattern, not an impulse. Then this is not an impulse, all are part of corrective, and we may expect some more deeper correction, and the anticipated levels are like. So far the price reached 50%. So the 50% is very important. That's why I said 66 is more important now. The price is trading around that zone. So 66 to 63, that prior low. If the price comes below that, we may expect even $52, maybe 56, $50 step by step. Okay, there are chances that the price easily can reach 52 if the price gives up. Okay, anyway, let's see how the price reacts at the important support zone. Then we may decide for the medium term view. Okay, this is the view on crude oil. I hope you like this video. Even we identified this rejection exactly. See, this is the rejection point. I have already shown, even before happening, I am showing everything. Okay, that's the forward looking approach. You can get it from the Elliottwave alone. So 25,300, we expected rejection exactly 25,300, and we expected minimum 2560, but the price approaches the 2560 in a different way. So if you are in a short position, you need to hold that position. Okay, all can be understood from the learning the course. And even Bank Nifty, yes, we expected 51,700. Even I said this minute turning point also in the midweek. The price may reject between 51,600. Exactly, the price rejected at 51,600 and comes below this trend line, make this a good fall. I said multiple times in my even YouTube channel that we need to see how the price approaches the resistance or support levels marked by us. Okay, the subwaves are very, very important. By seeing this, the waves are not completed. As I said in silver, the waves are not yet completed here. Okay, the corrective patterns should have some completion in patterns. I don't find here. That's why I said one more low. See, the one more low has been made here. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I believe you are getting practical informations or learnings from my YouTube. If you like my work and if you like how I am approaching the market with the help of Elliottwaves, you can subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, fellow traders, and friends and families who are interested in the wave theory. And if you really want to take your Elliottwave knowledge to the next level, and if you want to become independent Elliottwave analyst or trader, you can register my course, and I guarantee that you will become expert in Elliottwaves. Thank you. Trade safe. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Take care. Bye.